In this video, we will see an example on sinusoids. Question: express the following functions in cosine form. So here, these functions are given in sine, minus sine, minus sine. We have to convert this into plus cosine form. So solution: first of all, let's solve problem number A. Now here we can see it is given in positive sine form. So let's go to the basics. Here this is plus cos omega t and this is plus sin omega t. This is minus cos omega t and this is minus sin omega t. And this is the very easy way to remember the formula. Remember that if it goes in this side, so it will be positive. So now let's say we are moving from here to here. Here we can see the angle difference is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So the formula will be sin omega t plus 90 degree, or the formula will be something like this: cos omega t is equal to sin omega t plus 90 degree. Here we have to add plus 90 degree, so plus 90 degree. Then suppose if we are moving from here to here, then this will be minus sin omega t is equal to cos omega t plus 90 degree. So plus 90 degree. Now if we are moving from here minus sin omega t to cos omega t like this, so here we have to add minus 90 degree. That means the formula will be cos omega t is equal to minus sin omega t then minus 90 degree. Then again if we are moving from here to here in this direction, in the opposite direction, so then the angle will be added minus 90 degree. So the formula will be cos omega t sin omega t is equal to cos omega t minus 90 degree. So this is how we can remember the formulas. Here we can see it is given plus sign. So plus sin omega t is given here. So we want to convert it into cosine form. That means if we subtract 90 degree from this, so it will become cos. So let's simplify this. So it will be 10 cos omega t plus 30 degree. Now since we change this sin to cos, then we have to subtract 90 degree. So minus 90 degree. So this will become 10 cos omega t and this will be minus 60 degree. So this will be the final answer for this. Now next is B. So here this is given in minus sign form. Let's copy this first. So it is given in minus sign form. That means this minus sin omega t. So what we have to do? We want to convert it into plus cos form. So we have to add 90 degree to it. So let's add 90 degree to it. So it will become 9. Now this minus sign will change to plus cos, and this 8t will be as it is. Just we have to add 90° to it. So here we can see we have to add 90° to it. So it will become cos. So this will be the final answer for this. Then next is C. So here this is C. Next is C, minus 20 sine omega t plus 45°. So let's copy this first, and it will be, this will be changed from minus sine to plus cos. So 20 cos omega t plus 45° as it is. Now here we are changing from minus sine to plus cos. So again the same formula, minus sine omega t to cos omega t. So here we have to add 90° to it. So just add 90°. Now this will be 20 cos omega t, and this will be 45° plus 90°. 45 plus 90°, this will be 135. So plus 135°. So this is the final answer for this question. So this is how we can convert sine plus sine, or minus sine, again minus sine, into positive cosine form. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.